All right, likely candidate to start today for the Molloy Lions. Guy they started last week in their midweek against New Haven, Timmy Mott, a 6', 155 right-hander. He has a couple starts this year. He's pitched against Bridgeport, Adelphi. He started against Palm Beach Atlantic and started last week against New Haven. Around the zone, low walk, low strikeout guy. 12 innings, only 6 punchies, 2 walks. Gets hit around a little bit. He's going to be in the zone from what the video I can pull, which we don't have synergy video. The video that I can pull on him looks like probably a mid to upper 80s right-hander, much like the guy that we faced in Game 2 against Post. Wants to live away. Fastball slider changeup combo. Will run the slider off the plate, and will occasionally flash a fastball inside late. Let's look at some video here. This is against New Haven last week. This is the best I got. Fastballs early in the count. Out over the plate, out over the plate, out over the plate. Slider from all the video that I've seen so far looks as if he wants to start it on the outside edge and kind of just let it run off. Go back and look at some stuff from the first inning here. There's the slider, just off the plate. Starts it off and just runs it further off. I think our goal here is we want to look to attack out over the plate, get barrel on the baseball. Athletic, jumps off the mound there. I don't think that was a great bunt, though, either. Gets that closer to the line. He's there. Looks like tries to go in here to start this next guy. Doesn't get it there, misses glove side. So he'll try to. He does a good job in warm-ups getting arm side, but in game from the video I've seen, looks like when he tries to get in there, he struggles and it leaks out over the plate. New Haven's approach was to attack early on this guy. They put up some good numbers against him. New Haven, a comparable offensive team to us. You can see right there, they went bunt first pitch, double first pitch, and now this guy's going to lace one in the right center gap. Out over the plate, just stays through it. Again, if we keep our barrel behind the baseball, I really like this matchup for us. This is who I think we're going to get just based off of the days that he's pitched in the middle of the week. So let's go be ready to attack, be on the barrel all day. Good matchup, and let's get back in the win column. Go Bolts.